Dude, get that one. Francesca.
Honk. Dude, honk's freaking hard. Run, Panda.
This is really weird. We're not going to get
There we are.
we're in the cross tangent.
Yeah, there we are.
I really wish you could just get a honk now.
We are going home. It's this way. You turn around. Just one honk. No, turn it that way. That way.
We're going this way. That's how we.
Look at the car. We got two of them!
Yes! You got two honks.
Oh, we got a half a honk! There's another one! Honk! Honk! Francesca! Two of them! Did it really?
Yeah.
What is that? There's a sticker on the back of your arm, Lexi.
Where?
Look, can't pass. It's gone. Honk! Honk! Dude, you have tons of old people on your street. My mom.
Not her bike.
There's another one. No, there's two of them there. There's another one up there. I love the old people that wave at us. There's like four of them. Honk for us.
Honk if you feel tired.
Honk, please.
We got 4 honks in about 20 minutes. Yes!
We had a lot of barks too.
Yes!
Three
We are complete. I hope you guys love us for this. You guys gotta watch this and you're gonna
subscribe.
Two big dogs over on that side of the road. I'm not that bad of a swimmer, just letting you know.
Yeah. We're actually really good. Look at the back of our sign.
Oh, it's got Heather catching. Isn't it amazing?
Look at that bunny.
That's my last name!
I didn't show that. I showed the rabbit thing.
Okay, I drew that rabbit. Okay. Ow! Sorry, it's on my foot.
Another car.
Edit all this.
Yeah. Another car.
I'm on.
Honk! Aww. Hi. Can you bark?
Oh no.
Can you bark for us? Hi. She's so cute.
Wait, get the car.
Where?
Car.
Where? Where?
They're all the way down there.
Let's just wait. It's coming.
Okay. Look at the green.
No, don't. I need this one with dog.
No, it's turn.
Hi.
No, here comes. Oh my god.
What's that? It's a school project. Honk! Honk! Aww!